Okay, let's continue to open this. I already took out a few here. This one right here, this stuff right here is like super thick. I'm gonna have to get a micrometer and take some measurements on a lot of these. This stuff right here, and this is exactly what I was looking for, because this is very thick and it will take a good amount of wind force to get this to flutter. And then we have some this stuff right here. This stuff is great. This is perfect for low wind speed. I really have to get a micrometer. This stuff right here, it's just slightly thicker than the packing tape, but it's a little bit it's stronger. The extrusion on it is, you can see that it was made to be strong. I believe that a lot of this mylar was used for film or something like that, a film studio or something like that, maybe for some other packing materials, shrink type. I don't know if this stuff does shrink or if it just, if you use it for wrapping, but that's good. And then let's see, let's check out this one right here. Nice color on that, I like it. Different thickness and also different quality. It has this, it has more springiness to it, even though it's very thin. It has this, it doesn't seem to have so much elasticity. And this is also good because I have some ideas about how to generate. You know, the way I'm using it right now is I'm using this pendulum swing. But I think there's a more efficient way of collecting energy from the wind belt, and this thicker one is a part of that. So you have one here, and there's so many in here. I wonder if this is going to be a long video if I go through each and every one of them. Now this one, I can pull this one to the side. This one's so thick that I can just actually kind of push it to the side like this. I don't have to unwind it really. And this is thicker than the last. I have to maybe say, oh, there's a measurement on there. This is 0.19 millimeters. That's good thickness. And maybe all of them are marked. I have to keep the stickers on these. And this is, so they all, maybe they all have similar thicknesses. But what I'm looking for, I found what I'm looking for is the differences in the quality of the materials like this. And if I take a piece like this and I just flex it like that, you can see how this material really has really good quality. See how it just kind of, how it vibrates like that. That is what I was looking for, and I wasn't quite sure that this mylar coated taffeta would do something like that. And that's a kind of reaction in the quality of material that I need in order for this experiment to work. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so now if you take a look at the tail of this, I always leave this little tiny bit of tape here because it's like a leaf on a tree. It doesn't take very much wind speed to move it. And then